Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing Google Play Store on your Android phone. Sometimes the Play Store icon suddenly disappears from the home screen or app drawer, which can make it difficult to download or update apps. Don't worry, this usually happens because the app is hidden or disabled, and you can fix it in just a few minutes. Open the Settings app. The Settings menu is where you can manage most of your phone's features, including apps, display settings, and system options. Next, scroll down and tap on Home Screen. Depending on your phone model, you may see an option called Hide Apps or something similar. Tap on Hide Apps to open the list of apps that may be hidden from your app drawer. If Google Play Store appears in this list, simply uncheck it and tap Done. Once you do that, go back to your app drawer and the Play Store icon should appear again. If you still can't find it, the Play Store might be disabled. Go back to the main settings page. Scrolling and tap on Apps or Applications. Use the search bar at the top and type Google Play Store. Tap on it to open the App Info page. If you see an Enable button, tap it to turn the app back on. After enabling it, the Play Store should immediately return to your app drawer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with others who might find it useful, and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.